Ladder workout, a step-by-step guide to understanding this fitness phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of a popular fitness phrase, ladder workout. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just curious about English idioms, this video is for you. A ladder workout is a type of fitness routine where exercises are structured like the rungs of a ladder. You increase or decrease the intensity, repetitions, or time of each exercise, step by step, much like climbing up or down a ladder. This method is popular for building endurance and strength in a fun, engaging way. The term ladder in ladder workout comes from the visual and functional similarity to a real ladder. Each rung represents a different level of exercise difficulty. Just as you climb a ladder one step at a time, you tackle each level of the workout progressively. Let's look at a practical example. Imagine a workout consisting of push-ups, squats, and sit-ups. In a ladder workout, you might start with one push-up, one squat, and one sit-up, then move to 2 of each, then 3, and so on. It's a gradual increase in the number of repetitions. The concept of a ladder workout can also be applied metaphorically in everyday language. It can mean gradually progressing in any skill or task, not just in fitness. For instance, learning a new language step by step is like doing a mental ladder workout. That's a wrap on understanding the phrase, ladder workout. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting term and perhaps even inspired you to try a ladder workout yourself. Remember, like any skill, language learning is also a step-by-step journey. Keep climbing your language ladder, and see you in the next video.